Hello guys, today I will show you the best gluten-free cookbooks. Right here we are on the website Gluten Free Recipes Cookbook, the gluten-free equation cookbook. Want to cook ridiculously tasty gluten-free recipes from scratch but have no idea where to start? Here are over 100 mouth-watering recipes for everyone to enjoy. Here we are on the website, and these are examples of what you can make for gluten-free, and it looks very tasty actually. Why are people gluten-free? Here are some things. You can also be allergic, of course, to it. And we can see the upcline in gluten-free products. These are recipes as well. Here we are, the recipes. It has great benefits, but I think, of course, it's more a benefit because when you're allergic to it, you at least got something great. What you get these things in one package. In the cookbook bundle, you will find the gluten-free equation recipe cookbook 2.0, which includes 100 mouth-watering new gluten-free recipes. And here you also got gluten-free diet basics, a book, and a 10 signs gluten is damaging. I cannot speak that out on YouTube. But you get all of these together for only $39.95, and then you got enough gluten-free to cook actually. This is a offer which you can get through the link in the description. It is an affiliate link. You would help me out if you use it, but of course you don't have to, but then you get this deal. Here are some other ones you could make. And that's actually it. I cannot say really more about it. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day.